In this video I will try to make a very quick visual demonstration of LMDE 7 and why I believe that it is the most productive and the most stable and the best looking and the best operating system in general, okay? So I will start with the obvious thing you can see. You can see a chronometer here, a beautiful clock with a seconds hand. You can see a note here that I can modify. For example, I can remove this fifth to-do list part and boom, it's gone. So I can modify this to-do list and it keeps me productive so that I cannot forget anything. And actually to control these two things, it's very easy. You right click on the desktop, add disklets, and as you can see, you have a massive list of user-made disklets that you can download any disklet you need for various tasks. My two favorites are the analog chronometer and the Note 1. They're both made by the same developer, Skorsky. So as you can see, they're beautiful and you can also modify them. So for example, I can remove the seconds hand, as you can see, or I can add the seconds hand. I can even change the clock style, like that. Make it light, make it dark. And for the note, the same thing. I can change the note style. Here we are. Or just like that. And as you can see, you have plenty of styles. You can even change the font size. This is very easy. You're not going to find that easiness for such a very productive and a very simple disklet like this on any other operating system right now. Now let's go to the file manager. Look at how beautiful, how sleek, how integrated the file manager is. Look at the fonts, the organization, the colors. This is dark mode, and this is the most beautiful dark mode I have ever seen in any system. Let's open Brave. I use Brave all the time. Okay, this is how Brave looks like. I disabled the background, so let me just search for something. Let's search for anything. Okay, so that's how it looks like. The colors are beautiful, and I also have another browser called Epiphany. And Epiphany looks amazing. Look at that. Look at the integration. It's so beautiful. And then I can show you the terminal, and this is how the terminal looks like. It's looking beautiful. Okay. I'm currently recording right now with a software called GPU Screen Recorder, and it's doing a perfect job. This is how the new menu looks like in LMDE 7. You can see I have all my locations here. I have the power controls here. I have the categories here with icons, symbolic icons, and it's very well categorized. I have all the apps I need, and you also have app descriptions under the name of each application. Here there's something called favorites, in which you can keep your favorite places. I have access to my update center here. Everything is up to date. This update manager updates everything you need from a single place, so you don't need to worry about updates. I also have a software manager here. That's how it looks like. Software manager here with a huge amount of software collection, and if a specific software is not here, you can simply download it from the website of the developer themselves. If they provide a Debian or app image, well, I have to do some updates today. I will do that after the video. I think I will summarize here what I'm trying to show. What I'm trying to show you, I'm in the lock screen and I'm recording right now. So what I'm trying to show you is LMDE 7. It's very stable because it's based on Debian. It's not based on Ubuntu. You know that the regular Linux Mint distros are based on Ubuntu. These are less stable. This one is more stable, and it has support. It has long-term support until 2029. And it has this beautiful cinnamon with this beautiful productive design approach. Why would anyone not use this beauty? I'm in love with it. To me, this is the perfect OS. I don't want this video to be long. I already showed you a portion of things. By the way, you also have snapshots in here. I believe you have snapshots. If I do backup, yes, backup tool. You can do backup, and you can back everything easily, and you have a snapshot as well. It's called time shift. So yeah, this is just perfect. This is perfect. This is beautiful. This is everything. The last thing I will do before I end the video is I will show you how fast I can turn on the Android emulator on this for my development. And yeah, let me put that aside. I can put it, I also have this always on top option so that I can always keep the emulator on, it doesn't go anywhere. And this is how the tab changing looks like. So if I have multiple tabs like this, this is how the tab changing looks like. You can see it's seamless, it is beautiful. Alright, so here we are, Android is launching, and I don't want the video to be lengthy. It's already 6 minutes. I want this to be very short. So I think I will end it here. I will end it once Android launches. So usually, yeah, here we are. It launched. It's faster in the subsequent launches. So because I just started on my computer, it was a little bit slow. But actually, this is not slow at all for an Android emulator. So that's actually some very decent speed. It's faster than any operating system I used before. I just have to say this. Because I used Fedora, I used Windows for development, I used Ubuntu, I used... I tried multiple distros, and this LMDE 7 is the fastest when it comes to Android web and desktop development for me. I'm in love with it. I'm just making this video because I want more people to know about LMDE 7. It's a gift from the Linux Mint development team. Thank you everyone, and God bless.